Welcome to AI Studio. Let's make AI practical. Hi, I'm Nora Byron, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a complete AI music video, completely free. We'll be creating an original song, generating custom visuals, and building professional music videos using AI tools. And the best part, every tool we're using has a free tier. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete workflow, from setting up your project, creating an AI avatar, generating a song with Suno, all the way to creating level 1 and level 2 music videos in CapCut. This is part 1 of a 2-part series. In part 2, I'll show you how to add animations and lip sync to take your videos to the next level. Even if you're brand new to AI tools, you'll be able to follow along step by step, so let's dive in. First, we need to prepare our environment. This step is crucial because staying organized will save you so much time later. Let me show you the folder structure we're going to use. I'm creating a main project folder called AI_music_video_party_package. Inside this folder, we'll create 5 subfolders. The first folder is 01_project_files. This is where we'll save our CapCut project files. Second is 02_image_stills. All the images we generate will go here. Third is 03_video_clips. This is for any animated videos from Grok or DreamFace. Fourth is 04_exports. Your final rendered videos will save here. And finally, 05_archived_files for any older versions or files you don't need in your active project. This structure keeps everything clean and easy to find. Now, let's download CapCut. Head to CapCut's official website. I'll put the link in the description. Great, CapCut is now installed. We'll come back to this later. For now, let's create our AI avatar. Now comes the fun part, creating your AI avatar character. This will be the star of your music video. We're going to use ChatGPT to help us create the perfect prompt for Google Whisk. Let me show you how. I'm opening ChatGPT. You can use the free version for this. Now I'm going to paste in this prompt. ChatGPT has generated a detailed prompt for us. This is exactly what we need for Google Whisk. I'm going to copy this entire response. Now let's head over to Google Whisk. Google Whisk is Google's AI image generator, and it's completely free to use. Once you're on Google Whisk, you'll see the generation interface. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Now, I'm going to paste that prompt ChatGPT created for us into the main prompt box. Before we generate, we need to set our image size. Click on the aspect ratio selector and choose 1:1. This gives us a square portrait image, which is perfect for our avatar's face. Now click Generate, and here we go. Whisk has given us a couple of options. Take a moment to look through them and choose the one that best matches the vision for your character. I'm going to download this image. Perfect. Now that we have our character's face, we need to create a full body image. This is important if you want to show your avatar in different poses or outfits later. Now, before we continue, I want to share something exciting. I'm working in collaboration with an up-and-coming AI music artist whose team has given me permission to use her avatar in this demonstration. They actually gave me a challenge to see if we could use completely free tools to create a studio quality music video for her. So instead of using the avatar we just created, I'm going to use her character for the rest of this tutorial. First, I'm going to upload my character's portrait image to the subject section. This tells Whisk to keep the same face for the full body image. Now in the main prompt box, I'm entering this prompt. Create a full body image with the same face as the subject image. This time we need to change our aspect ratio to 9:16. That's vertical, which is perfect for full body shots and also works great for social media formats. Click Generate. Excellent. Now we have full body versions of my character while keeping that same face. This consistency is really important for your music video. I'm downloading this one and saving it as avatar_fullbody.png in our image_stills folder. Great, our AI avatar is ready. Now let's create our song. We're going back to ChatGPT to help us create the lyrics and style prompt for Suno AI. Here's the prompt I'm using. Create the lyrics and a 300 character style prompt for Suno to create a fast beat pop song called Party Package. Perfect. ChatGPT has given us complete song lyrics and a detailed style prompt that's under 300 characters. That's important because Suno has a character limit for style descriptions. Let me copy both of these. I'm going to paste them into a text file temporarily so we can use them in Suno. Alright, now let's head to Suno AI. Suno AI is an incredible tool that generates complete songs with vocals, instrumentals, and production, all from text prompts. The free tier gives you several song generations per day. An important note here is that the free tier is for personal use only. If you want to use your songs commercially, you'll need one of the paid plans. But for learning and creating content like this tutorial, the free tier works perfectly. I actually have a pro plan myself because I find this tool incredibly useful for my projects. Once you're logged in, you'll see the creation interface. Click on Create to start a new song. First, I'm going to switch to custom mode so we can use our specific lyrics and style. Everything looks good. Now let's click Create. Suno is now composing our song. This usually takes about a minute or two. And here it is. Let's listen to a quick preview. This sounds amazing. The beat is energetic, the vocals are clear, and it perfectly matches our party package theme. I'm going to download this. Click the download button next to your favorite version. I'm saving this as party_package_song.mp3 in our project folder. Actually, let me move this to our main folder. For now, we'll use it across different steps. Excellent. Now we have our avatar and our song. Let's create our first music video. Now we're ready to create our level 1 music video. This is the simplest version. A single image with our song playing over it. First, we need to create a 16:9 background image for the video. Let's go back to Google Whisk. For this image, I want something that matches our party package theme. Energetic, colorful, and fun. Here's the prompt I'm using. I'm setting the aspect ratio to 16:9. That's the standard widescreen format for YouTube videos. Let's generate this. Perfect. These look fantastic. I'm going to download this one with the bright colors and dynamic lighting, saving this as level1_background.png in our image_stills folder. Now let's bring everything together in CapCut. Now for the exciting part, assembling our music video in CapCut. When you open CapCut, click on Create Project. First, let's import our assets. Click Import and navigate to where we saved our files. Great! Now both files appear in our media library. Let's drag the song onto the timeline first. You'll see the audio waveform appear. This shows us the full length of our song. Now drag the image onto the timeline above the audio. Notice that the image is much shorter than the song by default. We need to extend it to match the song's duration. Here's how. Click on the image clip in the timeline, then grab the right edge and drag it all the way to the end of the audio track. Perfect. Now our image displays for the entire song duration. Let's preview this to make sure everything looks good. Excellent. The audio and video are perfectly synced. Now let's export our video. Click the export button in the top right. Here are the settings I recommend. Resolution 1080p. This is standard HD quality and looks great on YouTube. Frame rate 30 frames per second is perfect. Format MP4 is the most compatible. Give your video a name. Click Export to start rendering. CapCut is now rendering your complete music video. And we're done. You've just created your first AI music video. Let me play the final result for you. This is a complete shareable music video created entirely with free AI tools. You could upload this to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you want, but we can take this even further. Let me show you the next 3 levels. Now let's move on to level 2, where we'll add multiple images to create a more dynamic video. Instead of one image for the whole song, you'll create multiple images that change throughout, creating a visual storyboard. Here's what you do differently. Go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'll put it in the description. ChatGPT will give you a complete storyboard with timing and prompts. Then generate each image in Google Whisk using your avatar portrait as the subject image for the avatar scenes. Import all images into CapCut. Place them on the timeline according to the timestamps. Optionally add transitions between images. CapCut has tons of free transitions. You can also add zoom effects to make still images more dynamic. That's level 2. Same workflow, just more images. Let me show you a quick example of what level 1 and level 2 can look like. You now have the skills to create professional AI music videos at level 1 and level 2. You can share these on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you want, but we're just getting started. In part 2, I'll show you how to take your music videos to the next level with level 3, animating your images using Grok AI to add movement and life to your scenes. Level 4, adding professional lip sync with DreamFace so your avatar actually sings along to the music. Plus, I'll share helpful tips and tricks I discovered while creating my own music video. The link to part 2 is in the description and in the cards above. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this. I create detailed step-by-step guides every week. All the prompts we use today are available in a Google Sheet linked in the description. You can copy and customize them for your own projects. Thanks for watching. Let's keep it practical.